If you've ever wondered what sets successful women in their weight loss journey apart from others, it's not magic. It's just their habits. Welcome back. My name is Kathleen Hart, and I help women just like you break free from the yo-yo diet cycle, heal your mindset, and create the sustainable weight loss journey you've always wanted. Today, I'm going to be sharing the 10 non-negotiable habits of the woman who's not just losing weight, but who's transforming her entire life in the process. And if you're ready to create your own version of success, I've got something for you at the end of the video that will help you take this even further. Habit number 1, this woman sees herself as her future self, as her goal weight self. The woman slaying her weight loss journey isn't waiting until she sees the goal weight number on the scale. She doesn't wait for the weight to be gone to show up and feel confident. She doesn't wait to act like her best self. She shows up as that version of herself right now, despite where she's at in her weight loss journey. It's about embodying the energy of the woman who's already achieved her goals, not waiting around for the scale or your measuring tape to validate you. Show up as your goal weight self today. This is a habit you can start implementing immediately. Habit number 2, she prioritizes progress over perfection. She knows it's not about being perfect every day. It's about showing up consistently even when things don't go as planned. This is what separates her from the woman who starts over again every single Monday. She keeps moving forward no matter what. Habit 3, she takes care of her mindset. You guys have been here for a hot minute. You know mindset is what is making or breaking your weight loss journey right now. So she knows that weight loss is just as much what's going on in her mind as what's going on her plate or on her treadmill. It's just as important. The mindset piece is what most women are missing. And honestly, if you would get your mindset in alignment with your goal weight, you'd find that your weight loss journey gets easier instantly. So how is she doing that? How is she getting control over her mindset? She's clearing the beliefs that are holding her back right now from success. She's taking those beliefs, the limiting beliefs, and she's replacing them with more bold, powerful, empowering statements that are in alignment with her goals and where she wants to go. Habit number 4, she creates habits, not temporary fixes. So instead of chasing the latest trend or the quick fixes or the yo-yo diet situations, she's instead focusing on habits and routines that are going to be long lasting. Small, consistent habits are going to add up over time. That's why she's slaying her weight loss journey, because she's implementing these habits slow and steady wins the weight loss race. You know what happens when you try to do too many things at once. Burnout, overwhelm, giving up. Creating habits one by one, slow and steady, that's the new way to diet. Habit number 5, she invests in herself and her future. She knows that her journey is worth investing in, whether it's time, whether it's energy, or whether it's actual support to get her to where she wants to be. The woman who's slaying her weight loss journey understands that asking for help or seeking guidance in her weight loss journey is actually a power move. Because if you wanted to learn anything, you'd go right to the source and get the answers. Why is weight loss any different? We have just gotten started with habits 1 through 5. Habits 6 through 10 are going to blow your mind. But before we go on to the next one, I want to talk briefly about today's video sponsor, LMNT Electrolytes. I am thrilled to be working with LMNT. I'm obsessed. I take 1 packet of LMNT every single day, or I drink one of their sparkling cans. I just finished this one. I can't go a day without having LMNT, which is why I love bringing these packets on vacation with me, because all you need to do for easy on-the-go travel is add water, and then you are perfectly hydrated with the science-backed electrolyte ratio. LMNT does it all for you. Potassium, magnesium, sodium, it's all portioned out perfectly. And this doesn't break my low carb lifestyle by being 0 to 2 carbs per packet or per can. I prefer LMNT electrolytes because they fit a variety of lifestyles. There's no sugar. They are good for a gluten-free lifestyle. If you are vegan, paleo, low carb like me, LMNT will fit into your day seamlessly. Before I incorporated Element into my day, the headaches would sneak up on me. I had no idea why. And then the afternoon brain fog was intense. I blamed it on mom life, but honestly, it just felt like something was off. And ever since incorporating Element into my days, all of those symptoms have vanished. The best part is Element is offering anybody watching my video today a free sample pack with your next order. All you need to do is go to drinkelement.com/heart. So that's drinkelementi.com/heart, H-A-R-T. Thank you to Element for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so what is the next habit of the woman who's slaying her weight loss journey? Number 6, she's listening to her body. This is so important. I've talked about it a lot here and on Instagram. Listening to your own body is going to be your magical moment because all the answers are already inside of us. We just need to listen. So when you're really in tune with what your body needs, whether it's rest, whether it's nourishment, whether it's a self-care time, or whether it's movement, she can tell what's gonna make her feel good because she's really in tune with her own body and she's listening. So remember, weight loss is not about punishment. It's actually the opposite. It's about creating a partnership with your body. So when you start listening to your body and actually listening, like listening and then taking action, your body is going to thank you. And the more you can get in tune with your body and what it needs, the better your weight loss journey is going to go. Habit number 7, she sets boundaries. She protects her time, she protects her energy, and she protects her peace. She's really learned to say no to what doesn't serve her so that she can say yes to herself. How many of you watching have said yes to things in the last 30 days where your body and your mind said, no, we don't want to do that, but you said yes anyway? This is a great time to self-reflect on those moments and think about how you can do them differently in the future. Because creating boundaries isn't selfish, it's necessary for your success. Prioritizing yourself and putting yourself first ensures that we can be the best version of us to give to all of the wonderful people in our life. If we're depleted and at 0%, how are we supposed to give to all the people we want to support in our life? We need to be at high capacity, 100%, operating optimally so that we can give the best version of ourselves to everyone in our lives. Habit number 8, she's embracing accountability. She's not trying to white knuckle grip this and do this all on her own. She knows that a great support system is going to help her get better, faster results in the long run. So she seeks out accountability, whether that's a coach, whether that's a friend, or a supportive community like a Facebook group. A support system when you're feeling down is one of the most important things to help you realize and remember why you started this journey in the first place. Because you're gonna have hard days. We all do. But the hard days aren't the important part. The important part is how you lift yourself up and pick yourself back up on those hard days so that you rebound and get back to doing what works. And remembering why you started this whole journey in the first place. Remembering your goals, remembering why you want them. Inside of Less Weight, Better Life, the Mastermind group, the women in there are doing just this. There's accountability, there's motivation, there's inspiration in there, and the community is beautiful. Anyone wishing to join that group, the link is down below with all of the details. Habit number 9, I love this one. She's visualizing her success. She uses the power of visualization daily to see herself as her goal weight self. She's visualizing, she's acting, and she's feeling as if she's already there. Doesn't matter what the number on the scale says today, you can act and feel any way that you want. And that's the key to getting to your goal weight the fastest, is visualizing being there. I used to walk around this island in this kitchen at 190 pounds saying, I'm 133, I'm 133, I'm walking like her, I'm talking like her. I would pretend when I looked in the mirror that I was 133 and I would be like posing and I'd be like, oh yes, this is it, this is me. And now I walk around this kitchen and I'm in the 130s. The power of visualization is going to make your journey faster, better, more positive, and more transformational if you can bring visualizing into your daily practice. And let me clarify, this isn't about dreaming, imagining and dreaming. It's about training your brain to align with the goal you're trying to achieve. Because once your brain gets aligned with it, It doesn't know whether you're imagining it and visualizing it or if it's real life. So then your brain recognizes that as truth, and your actions begin to mimic what your visualization encompasses. Start thinking and visualizing your goal weight self. Start acting like that in your real day life. Habit number 10 for the woman who is slaying her weight loss journey. She makes herself the priority. She's no longer putting herself last on the to-do list. She really understands that taking care of herself is not an option. Like, it's not optional. It's necessary. And you move yourself back up to the top of that list very quickly when you realize how important it is to feel your best and do your best to get your best weight loss results. She knows that when she is thriving, everything else in her life is falling into place. So these 10 habits, they're not about perfection at all. They're about showing up as the best version of yourself every day. No matter where you're at right now, no matter where you started from, just show up as your best self right now, today. So if you're ready to take the next step and create a journey that's uniquely yours, you can grab my signature online course, Less Weight, Better Life, and help you create sustainable results that you can maintain long term. Definitely check the link below. And if you're looking for that community, you can also join my mastermind. I have that open and available right now. You will get community, the accountability that you need, and everything that's in my course is included in the mastermind. You get lifetime access. Everything is linked down below. So which of these habits are you going to be working on next so that you can become the woman who slays her weight loss journey? Or which one are you excited to start today? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you and support you. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.